39 degrees, February the 13th. Uh-oh, let's go save a life. Somebody got into the cold water. Saved 2 lives. Nope, that one ain't gonna make it. It's already dead. Let's see what we got here. I know that's not the idea of the video, but the idea of the video is 39 degrees. A little bit windy. I'd say these are my New River Carnicas that are out flying. Yeah, some of them look like buckfast. But anyway, the point of the video is you need to make sure you have a water source out for them year round. Now I know in the summertime you wouldn't be able to see the floats in here, and I'd have another 2 long ones and some other pieces in there that, well, as you can see, some of your pieces have blown out over the winter. But you got to have a water source for them because they, number one, they have to reconstitute the honey to the point they can actually use it. And if you do like me and some other people, some people use a mountain camp. Some people make the sugar blocks. Somebody make the sugar shims where they make slushy mess and put up there. I just pour about 4 or 5 pound bag of, or 4 or 5 pounds of sugar on a piece of wax paper on the top. I'll make a little divot in the center and pour some essential oil mixtures of mine in it, stir it up, get it into a slushy, and then I'll punch through the wax paper 2 or 3 places, and that'll give them a way in. They don't have to start chewing paper. They can get the smell of it and go up and start using it. But that's the quick tip for the day, is you need to have water out for them year round, especially in the wintertime. There's Kent Williams' method of doing it. You have apple cider vinegar and all this good stuff. I'm just lazy. I just pour the sugar right on it. Pour the sugar syrup mixture in there and make that little area in the middle. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'm going back in the workshop. It's cold out here. Like and subscribe.